kwabena kese Ghana mampani nana adodankwa ekufuado ena ekasei wakasa ewo enkran mantam no emu Third Africa Media Convention ena akoso ewo enkran mantam no emu yewura ede atudwa wakire mu se ewiemu nsachara ye ho asem no akoye bibibi ewo ho na yentumi enka emmo ho dawuro ebra yebeyi nsamtwerofo ede asinchen dwumadie bia ya wudi ne se wuyi nsamtwerofo ede sinchane a na asam ne ka no na akoye bibibi a ewo ho no etisa wonko a wuti esumu na wamuna obi anim se wamuna na mo sa ade a wo ye no se yesumu kwa na nsamtweroni egina wonchane a wotimi bo ho dawuro ma wiase ne amansa nyina hunu se ampa ade a nipa asmesa na so obenti oye ne se ne papa wo anasa ne ponen ne sa yenti sade ewiemu nsachara ne tombre bia na esi odasani ekwan enkanka ewa bibimemu ene wiase afa na nyina no obesere nsamtwerofo adase sie nya dwumadie bia ho akwanya ase bia da obon krata mu abe fontentan fidie no so anase bia radio so ana TV so empo information center bi kura ne yegina ne nya akwanya eya wiemu nsachara ye ne ade ne yenhwe na ye mohu dawuro ye sebaya ebetere amanfo esnase.
We are gathered here in a time of environmental crisis. Climate change poses an existential threat to our planet and our way of life. It is here that the media's role becomes even more critical. The media has the platform and the power to focus the world's attention on the urgency of this issue. It must amplify the voices of those affected by climate change, especially in communities that are often overlooked in international discourse. Environmental sustainability should be at the heart of media practice. This means not only reporting on climate change, but also adopting sustainable practices in media production itself. From reducing carbon footprints to promoting recycling and sustainable energy use, there's much the media industry can do to lead by example. Members of the African media fraternity to take a proactive role in educating and engaging the public on environmental issues. Use your platforms to showcase innovative solutions and highlight the work of environmental heroes across our continent and beyond. It is essential to foster a culture of environmental responsibility among our citizens, particularly the youth, who are both the most impacted by climate change and the most potent agents of change. Let us not forget that environmental sustainability is intrinsically linked to economic and social sustainability. As media practitioners, you have the unique ability to weave these threads into a coherent narrative that underscores the interconnectedness of all these issues. Through compelling storytelling, you can help society envisage a sustainable future and the pathways to achieving it.
Ghana mampeni na nado dankwa ekufuado ene yetene nkai.
Sajumedi kwanu asia no ana mampanyi de batu dwa atrose kemamenka bi amamwo ya yebuo no wonom ntumi anya wabra nsamtwofo yebeyi wo mu da biara da esanse woman no ebesi piase taba be gina pempenso a yedru nyina no nsamtwofo di mu tintiman wase asem bi kwabo no mara na tememufo no ntei nanso so sane yebeyi a woman no betumi akọ nanim nti no nsamtwofo bo saade ne nyina ho dawuro amiatwe ne sra ne abasa sane yebeyi a abanyuma hodo ya wo ye no ehai betumi atomu anam so nti no wono na ban de wo mo hyebodi second time wi abode guso so obera fam de bia sane be yansamtwofo be gina kwantenkora nipa bi mu ntwintwa won makwan mu na dwumadi a ewo so wodie de boa wo man no won matumi aye ne sa.
Let me reaffirm that the government of Ghana remains committed to supporting a free, independent, responsible and innovative media. We're dedicated to creating an enabling environment where media freedom flourishes alongside responsibility and where innovation is matched by a commitment to sustainability. Before I conclude, there's one We must work together and adopt ethical AI practices so we can protect our societies from these threats and ensure that AI serves as a tool for good in our media landscape, not a source of evil. Let me, in closing, reaffirm that the government of Ghana remains committed, as I have said, to supporting a free, independent, responsible, and innovative media. We're dedicated to creating an enabling environment where media freedom flourishes alongside responsibility, and where innovation is matched by a commitment to sustainability. To the media practitioners here today, your work is not just about reporting the news or entertaining the public. It is about shaping the future of our continent and our planet.
I was young no na kakra o sade so no ayese ensam for Jumani yesa bia ya kan sama mana ye Ghana de hye no de ene nsam wa kwaso ne ye beka no nko na mmomu no se ye beka nsam wa ebeboa amoman no afa ne ntuma pa efra.
Ewusia yenko yenimwe na yeko Ghana ebrase betwamu ena kakra ni ena yewura John Ampontua Kumana waye edwoso mrase bedwani na ebra okosa ne ho akohia se obi edina ate nyesa yenti yetoaba ema ebra bato no ekọ na wiye no owura kwabena boate ya waye emranim no ona de hye ya ewodwoso ene ne mpotamu etoaba no de ma no se wona na omogiri se obetimi asi yewura John Ampontua Kuma anemu ebra abato no ekọ na wiye no na wanya 27,782 ya wo de call ohaw nchichemu a na eye 55.8% ya ebra bato no call na wiye no saa na onyaye de wotosomye no eye owura kwabena owusu aduomi ya wono okose kontonkro abato no ba na wiye no na wanya 21,534 what they call how much chichemua na 43.3% ya kyerese eno so ekoso a wode etoso eminu na ehu akohia se wo so kopiemu e wo Ghana emarase bedwamu na omano akwaba mamre ne amane ekwaso no wahere sa pepepe na ne omana so afanamu asua adinsi akantam se brebia no ya omano behia no se omaye adwuma no so amade a ne kyese otontam kese pa na enebra na achiame he yewura Alban Sumana Kingsford Babing na wati egwamu na yewura eswai no yenti sade niema esikoso.
So we start with the oath of allegiance. I, Kwabena Boateng, do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance.
To the Republic of Ghana as by law established.
To the Republic of Ghana as by law established.
That I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of Ghana.
That I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of Ghana.
And that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
And that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
So help me God.
So help me God.
We now proceed to the oath of a member of Parliament. I,
Kwabena Boateng,
having been elected a member of Parliament, do.
Having been elected a member of Parliament, do.
In the name of the Almighty God, swear.
In the name of the Almighty God, swear.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Republic of Ghana.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Republic of Ghana.
As by law established.
As by law established.
That I will uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
That I will uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
And that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of Parliament.
And that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of Parliament.
So help me God.
So help me God.
abusia wo ye na ensem a akoso efa yewura kwabena boaten ya sese no na ye dwoso mrase bedwane ne bra akopie mu wo Ghana mrase bedwa fie no ho
ana mrase bedwa fo kwa setan no nsempie no na piepie mu na ewoso mo dwere ho ansana afi bekọ na wie ya akọ na asamba ko a ekoda epono so aye Imani Africa president Ora Franklin Kujo na semua na woka no boy electoral commission sobo adefa aye nkromiensa Central Kofi Akpofu lekpe na felolobi na wo kyerɛ sɛ womanam sini anya mamrahye bedwafie kɔba na sano a ɛya na moa emampuntunyuma antumi nkoso ani ade ɛno nam so majority leader yɛ wo mamrahye bedwafie yɛro Alexander Afenyo Mark na ɛnɛ ɛbra na nhyiamode ɛkɔso a mamrahye bedwafie no wasɔre ayi ano akyerɛ mu sɛ ɛnɛ nyankro adom so abato mpaso biye ne wono mu a ombetumi aka se womanam sini ani mrahye bedwafie entiade bia da ye fa ne mpuntu ohu wo mo hwe sampaso bia nam sini bate na wasene manfo sane beye no wombehunu sane apan no ebu ne nyoma esibifa.
The issue of the creation of a constituency for representation is a matter for the Electoral Commission. And in this 8th Parliament, no constituency has been denied a representation. At the time of the 2020 election, Mr. Speaker, no such constituency was left out in the 2020 election. So, Mr. Speaker, the minority leader should not mislead the people of Ghana. When he's raising issues of constitution, he should be well grounded and ensure that the right thing is done. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
And what you know, another Kumano Bano Danny Yira to Fossen, one so sorry, Akasai.
I also want to add that it is a shame that still the good people of Central Kofi, Akpafo, Lepe, and the Lobby, the South constituency, does not have a representative still as we speak. Almost 4 years on. The Speaker, this I believe it's something that this House must take steps to ratify, to resolve as soon as possible. The Speaker, I believe it's a matter of importance and it's a matter that this House must take note. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I was away. I na dia kwa so kakra a wo mrahye bedwafi.
Kane Auditor General yewura yaw domelefo na kasai na wotere se ewiase no akoye se Ghana oman Ghana na yetimo no etomere bia wodwena de bi hu a wonte ase ene sen oman no se obi bedi so na osua seketa hye po ye kankan ni dwirimu no obetu ase a na akoye bibibia ewo ho enipa binum no atoban ageban aye osi akwan mu aye pampim ewo saa keta hye po ye kankan ni dwirim dwumadie no a wodwene ho ba bia wonte ase na manfo afrase ya wode ne din fole niema bi mu a opese eniema bi ache anti otere no kakra ne nyina no eye ekwane a krata efri omampani na nado dankwa ekufu ado hono eba ye nam so a masese no ye maame getu tokono ese ono na ejina mu yi na eno ho asam na ode atodwa ya wo tere se akoye se wugina ahwehwe mu wo hwe ahwehwe no na ahwehwe no so ehwew ni nyina no eyade a ehadwen enipa bi ni wo hono mu a wonim sa ade a wo ye no no ankasa nim se embra ene nhyehyeye etia sa ade no nanso wunya tu ho anamo se bia opese e bia sa nipa no ujai anase wotia no na wojai de wo ye no pe be bia chose hey wo bonsam wo nipa boni ni na ya fa kwan bia so na ye de twintwa wakwan mu ensam de waburu bi so ne pa.
Stated time and again that once you fight corruption, corruption will fight you back using any means available. So that is not a surprise to me at all. Corruption is not going to fight using corrupt methods. It's going to pretend and use what looks like very genuine reasons. And I always say that there is a story behind the story. So the story behind the story is difficult for all of us to know. But what I'm just trying to say is that to me, once you are in the public domain fighting people, others may also look for opportunity to fight you back. That's the point. Where it's coming from is what surprises me because, Martin is my very good friend and we have different values. Anyway, I will not participate in any form or shape in the removal of my successor from office. In fact, in his case, even I can say that he resigned. I don't think Kisi Jabin played any role in it. I suspect the one who succeeded me had a role to play in my removal, but I will not play any role as such. So it looks like, because he's outshining him, so you want to remove him out of office, which to me, I will not allow such a situation to arise before people will even impute those intentions into my action. The pattern is that they use procurement offenses only when it's used them. Are we not? Didn't we hear of procurement offenses about the EC, the current EC, and several others, even the presidency itself? And how do they treat them?
Sompa. Can Auditor General Royal Domelevo and I attend Kenya?
I know to tell you, sir, so go find your money free was when you chrome now what the bomb may more. Import duties in Uncle and I was yet me turn your man about Sedu. Our bruchiho. Now, Nana Quaquajina say, I want $1 and a session. A descending panofan say what talk car. And I send po a dear be a some bo say wababa tone, our may muno. What the banner the bedria port to Noah. Now $1 na check it, $1 na buonwa e kwosoro na won ma sesene saa amani parachia wa bra e wo Ghana ye DCDC eno nam so ma Ghana Revenue Authority ababe yi asebia no a kire sente saa na sidi no a na agya omode kasa e wo port ahodo nje se bia empanyifo ba anasempo won mom kra nioma ade ba o mayi mu won ba no bekasa asam no nyade a eche saa wo ba bia aka wo bi me na vehicle and asset dealers union won mom kra kase ade ba o my Ghana mu won mom kabo mu ko president ya wada no ora Bernard Inchakwa atwetwe nkomo eno oche se hwe eye saa pepepe dollar no a no mo de check ye enti akwa se dade nyina no wo mo nioma no bo no kwa na ekosoro santo dollar yi mu kwa na ekosoro nti se wokofa ka aba na ka no ebu ada so import duties da so se tie ni a nipa no so ba no so ayere so Ghana fo ye ntimi nto eno madwuma no goa na ewu
na mse a no ti amano ne na ebe ni so di US na ebe ba tukana odi be duty na obeye no obetua ne cedi na mo ye de dollar rate ene ye de be ma dollar rate ene ye de be ma na de tie no se si ya me no wo ka say dollar no se number 15 and na say 14 na Ghana Port and Harbour de no e wo form kakra every 2 weeks bi a o mo review say bia this week 14.5 no amount say next week Tuesday no e console na say ba from say console no mo so move kakra but almost every time they are no the almost dollar no almost do sika na we dey etua we dey tua bit no e no almost dey no wo from kakra chain dey a wo black market say o ko akwa sister na dey akwa say dey tie na yesa no almost dey but no pro wo no say e dollar rate e no almost dey back calculation e cities na dey be ma e be ma dollar rate no dey almost na be calculation no almost the amount to city ya ka ema even ya pa community your friend say former finance minister aka say me say enka ebe yempo a saa sika na omo ye na dollar rate no nko omo fambra city enfa my ana so say dollar na omo de be calculations no be amaye ndia ene ye say bi amemfa so omo page no say bi a dollar no say 14 cedis ana say 12 cedis for the past 6 months ana say bi a we fan say bi a 6 months for ampa na che say bi a for the nimu nyina no na enko sa say na be ya odetumi a plan e say e ba na say omo change na every week bi na say me ye duty me fan say me you to Corolla this week and I said this month na say me you ne be say 15,000 and I say 20,000 na say meta akra another car na be ba another 1 month time no e be ba na say dollar no ko na nimu a
eno chi opanyi pa to so kire mu say kwara ne bo no kwa na ekosoro wo de sesen emre bia atwam kono a
Toyota Corolla there sisia no sia ya me no kase no che when yi Corolla when yi kura we tia be 60,000 60,000 Ghana cedi na opani DT7 na ye kanu ya go DT7 na ye kanu we ma menchiro so car na mo de ko back market le VIP for car no mo pre no Kia grand bed no no back market pa no na ko paga wa tumu eni enkuro na ekwani ye nyina saa car no na efo e ya me no ka say so wunu bi di bigba ho de ba be che okura na say won jisika o ba be toka no no wa shipment no so koko yi a so when you are no enye 500,000 5 billion to scam then I'll be use saa car eno e na ma say your port ho no mo kura no wo ho no mo a obi amfa adwuma bia emma bi obi amfa ka bi ama because enye adwuma bi o de car ba ko ade ba no wo betu ahu sika saa o de ba so sika mi o man no mo etumi gi tie mi no tie mi ensa na da sisi elantra say elantra 2013 so o pe bi a ti so kura 130,000
Ayo president adema yenuan ma won mo krakase adeba o mayimu
Dr. Kofi Tonto amonyosemu boafo edema mampani abede echi Dr. Alhaj Mamudu Baumia na wode nsama todwa efa o manu sika sem sade sika no esi ba fom ene sika dodo a ekita wansa na watimi nya dollar ne bi na o kire se aban no ede enema egu akwamu sabaya enema betima gina ba bi egina no na abo mo manu sika sem etiba gina na so ye
2022 around October and CD no agents of the car. I think first week of October, na best 10 cities and the Koya Kaya could 16 cities and then I may have done why I didn't say go aquam. It's a train by the Chia to almost 9 cities. And they would be aside as I said, and the attendance a shabby breed cost about the shabby breed work. Your best kind of force America mono bia besa akoyi they are here mampani akufo and they are then so in Europe Mahmoud ba last year they are na dey ahonye bebre eba sabiu adwuma no traders amko akwantu mko fa ne maba ko sika eso mo de kokran ne maba se sidi ma ko de ne kofu ma de chere ne se so mo pesi di dodo na mo de akwaje dollar kitu e de akokra mo ne ma na so mo so pe sidi no dodo ni so ton ni amana o di be ka se ne otono sidi edumu a obere bi asidi tia se ne be ya obina sidi ne dodo na no ti di akokra ne maba enti ono na o yekati na ho chire no o ko edwama so akokra ne maba o tete me so me ne wo a ye koto ne ne ma tena mu fo no so ye tete ti asesa se pasa di ne ma bibi na
Dr. Kofi Tonto amonyosemu boafo de ma ewura Dr. Mamudu Baumia nsabo de ma nsɛmtwerɛfo no
Ora akwaduamwa ochrepanyi aye vice chairman adema NDC amanyoko no ewo mfimfim mantemu no de tudwa atrose afia bato maga ne bato no NDC amanyoko no mfa no tra akora ema amanyoko foforo anyi mfiri won nsem ne nyina ne yese electoral commission panyi pa ma meje mensa ne nsem bi won mo a aya no nhyɛ sisi so enti sane ebaya na gidie nyina badadi ehan bato no munti no NDC amanyoko ye wo mfimfim mantemu ayo no se afia bato no EC officials nyina wo de CCTV cameras ba bo wo ho efiri ma me je mensa so kosi di otwato wo bia camera ba bo no ho na wo ma hwese wo bi mfa da mudie mfiri ba bi nkoma wo nia na wo onsesa bato no sane asunsunsoso ebesibi akwakoye wo se we ye sha sonko a NDC amanyoko a e wo fifi mantamu di gu akwamu sansa fia bato no wo no mfa na hongoroso
sisia ye and the pressure tension in him too much via on it so be better wire calculations not that but now wali and final one at say condition Ghana for choka no 1+1 so you just send this for metro na adwuma no mu yawrom I mean they say some you can say adoba major electoral commission can je mentionala made the papa on in there just say the camera bo one na what the kasan the camera from farm one na wasama overcome echi ye boy that show I want to work into say we down one that no e densa afi so ya the camera ko bo office wo so wetu mo atrawa ma machines a what they about to hu adwuma ayewa wo camera obobo ho obiala machines ehu nyimpa ehu camera ntume ehu da no obenhia da say what to abana wa makwan ama manyafu yetuma di see to ballot box mu za oda wa makwan me to palo kototo da na yema no wonu mu nti one wo gbe ya na yesu ye ko gbe je mense de boda the camera bonu na ho be bi oboko bia ye monitor na no asem bia obakasa Dr. Sebo oda ye bon camera na Dr. Bosman oda ye bon camera o say one sama wa kana yo nsido
ano China Fadi Dinchra Hodoya Ecoson so Panipa Kasai, etu electoral commission for so abasra so how a woman one share no Siano Quine.
Track we are man for Ghana ha your mobile phone companies will provide the data na that enjoy them at the quoting by age man. Or then na back at the quoting. Baba baby hey age nine about a network me put them bobinizing network be waha baby age obey age mapa it move just about 100 meters about different network no age more. And so why don't you arm yourself with this, backup? I'm a BB now come by why they use network quoting. Now I catch and there network quoting what the age man. Well, age man why you so one namutu so no be a moment access and son was once a computers and crowd. Honestly, so I'm flexible the man obey why. And see impa if you there a juma one hour experience wo not that small infractions are or questionable infractions are why class 1 no way at the PhD level I mean on your other you do tomorrow and see iron and this for infractions of bank and ID na I'm artificial and to say I am be make a create and ban na dom no ko me catch Ghana for about where do 18 the moon slow obia mature anything obia watu aba na wa trenadwen
Near your turn and carry a vice chairman, your 150 mantamu and this Yamanyokonim, or a cordiamwa or chipping.
Enipa bi ewo Ghana hase ya omaka abomo kire se ade a ekoso ewo emarasebedwa fie honom no omoka so mane je ho a na omoboa enkankan de efa e mame Cecilia abna dapa eho ene se mame Cecilia abna dapa efie ne sika ho nsensem de wo ka pa nya Ghana ni bia asem foforo na Ghana ni bia so ebusa se enti sika no ampa wono ane de a ya ban sika anasa busuafo de a ane etutu fam a ye de ahye hodom se efunu maame no nkyerkyeremu ane ade no etwe Ghana fo nyina adwen e de gina asem a wo ka no so kyere se asem no a wo ka no ase enema bi emmoamoa kakra kwa se ema akaba o to animu ana akyire emmoamoa asem no enhyada ensisi so papa emfama Ghana fo bia wo interest e wo sa asem no mu enipa bia wasori sesia ya wo ka kyere Ghana mrahye bedwafo no se be ya nkomo ntia bedwakuo bi na ya maame no ensem no omohwehwemu yie pa efiri se empanifo ya embra ema omutumi ewo Ghana ha se obutumi hwehwe bonefo sem se bia kronosem ane ade se yokonum ane wona ye keka ho no wo mu wo adansedie pa ya ekere se obetumi ahwehwe maame ne nsem no akosi ase ma de wo mu bia no omre ya beto Ghana fo nyina anim enipa no bi nie opani obabai security mu ensensem se bambo mu nsem ye hwehwe mu de ko de ba ne ade nyina yewura Adam Bona eno achi academic professor Ransford Jampo ono so eka ho yewura Martin Pebu eka ho ene nipa bia ekeka ho nyina no ekyere se omubu afu na buombu afu no ombro nipa bese wo ha ene akyire ya omo ka ensam eche Ghana marache bedwafo no se asem no a ekosto no nyese bia Ghana fo ate ede atena Ghana fo ni da so ede akyire yewura Martin Pebu
letter signed by every person. They said Yoko was here to commence investigation. The Attorney General goes on TV and radio to say, oh, thorough investigations already conducted. So you see that the Attorney General is part of the problem. It's part of the conspiracy to free Madame Dapa unjustly. You say, so these and the way, if you look at Madame Tiwai's profile, she's not willing to do this case. These are the reasons we are asking Parliament to come in. The last time they did about partisan probe, that's the Keloforiata matter. You know, I'm that person that I don't think the fact that the ultimate vote didn't go through, the fact that ultimately the vote of censure didn't go through, doesn't mean that Parliament did nothing. For me, at least, the fact that the process was triggered, Oporiata had to go and answer. You saw the disgrace he suffered. You saw the shameful manner in which he had to admit that when we borrow the bonds, his company, the data bank, makes money, etc. That's very shameful. It's out there on the internet. But you let Parliament look at it, let Mr. Speaker look at it, and let's see how far it goes. That's why I say always remember that Ghana is not coming to an end at the election. Hopefully, Ghana will continue to exist for, centuries to come. So it doesn't matter that by the time Parliament is done, we would have had elections. No, let the process go on. That's accountability. We want accountability. Even if they don't play before December, it's not a problem. It's not a problem. You remember the IGP probe? The IGP probe, the leak tape. That is not finished. But we are still waiting for the outcome of the ICC probe.
Ira Martin Pebuna Yetenenkei.
Anaria Cassia Bombo non Yabomania Secretary B. F.E. and Canada Special Prosecutor Ira Martin Alamisi Amidun Chain. Aqua Penny one more a name, Mampany Swabachri, Adiama Chief Justice, Mammy to Kunusa one shot, now when you shimu and fa home. Ninano Ayasa Special Prosecutor and Cane Ira Martin Amidu. And the do airborne special prosecutor Kisia Jabenya Watia Kunyasho, Saba Pano Wakwato Kasi be a shine at the Aqua Office of the Special Prosecutor. Ya a shine Wakoto, yano, a Hunkrata, Samnia de, a choir of fast or torno, a Juchia Shonkakra, a BM. Any pabinuma wafa wamu office no, and also show one say one family kwaso and a fast half one. And after so crampono what Jinani 2 minutes so as synchro 4, 8 Ghana 4 fan who dear show, and now was my ton safra, why was my chow, and the Akaka was hardly any idea. A half Johnny year was a general show, na ya 2 year Rakisia Jabin Eddie Fradia show. Yakasa Mampanya Nado, a boy chile, Eddie Aquacoma Chief Justice, ya one more sir, and any yatano, one better one abejokuo, Nasa Safata, Yerakisia Jabin, one more to me Edna Famra Quanso. As some nam subi ama, Yane lawyer Bafua, Achon Como Papa, a banamremo wapidimu, na a brand new dim common was say yes, Sunny Marano, as the fascinating.
Emrana, as will be the petition echo down president. It's a petition. Wow. You said, special prosecutor, you may be a Udino, said the whole can be a son, you said, NSS office or Tanahu Buno, which row at the IFN petition now, or the Akoma president. Now, what the Koma president are, and now so pepe, and you can't say Broso, I was a president, for the petition of the Koma Chief Justice. Se could do Chief Justice, wa, also Bosumi. Baako eni se boroso na o determine se petition na ye de ababa to nanimu no step bi ewunyina so eno na emremu ye kan se prima facie case eno ne say wo hye petition no a untie ato baako kora seblo so wo hye petition no a ya de asebi e wo se ososo so ana so ate enti wo hye petition na se wo ososo so a ono so 14 days say or constitutive committee a bit shisha singing committee no a committee of 3 people. I was a bako a yaja na bako so a lawyer na bako so ayubia or experience in investigation na omatlase na omashishin singing say sebe e wo fapema nani say oma make recommendations at sebe to yema me shaloto say na pepe so it is a similar procedure e yeshishin say ubi beba office na wabe Juma senior say ne senior efata so what I say na sebe and you say you be amana occupy office ne keke so what I say
Matiasi
now inti say sebe ukofu bi ba office so na Juma di nso ania sebe ono na oba se obebre wu afidi osompa fe na inti say of Oba so bebrewu no Sompa fe na mo ni nim se Sompa fe na chinchina na yes ye man intena office o sa na ye pe no si ensese sa na e wose ye den ye hye no we must build a country or a nation of principles and boundaries any conduct principles
Lawyer Bafwa ayamranim ni ewo mayim.
Ya bema Ebenezer ohusu ansa eboya mane de free ahafo South West mensenemo ewo Asante Mantem Hasei. Na eben ato yenkra se Wioso Junior High School no ene adesuafo no ne akyerɛkyerɛfo no beduru school no ade a wode woni huye no omani anye ho kora ne nyina ene se wo bahwe no mahye no nso a ndoro ano anu nso bransam etoye ewo mmea hodo pii ewo oman yi mu na no na emframa kakra nso enamu enu nti ukopiem ewo Wioso Junior High School ya ewo ahafo no South West mensini mu ewo Asante Mantem ha emframa ne nsuo na etoye no o hawo ne amane ya ade abredan no enya asam ketoa emframa na pejan chance no kra kwato atwe no ba bi kura ya kyerɛ sɛ nsuo soso age dan no aboso a wontime nkyira de obi kura ntu entimi emetena sɛ chichani emekyerɛ na de na aka ho bi ama wɔne assembly member de ma de hyɛ ya bɔ mpɔtem honom Kofi Asamoah emma obusa ne sentise pa no akyerɛkyerɛfo no yɛ dan na nkoda no soso ɛyɛ dan
one of a behwɛ sɛ de situation is here
ebe bua kwa no mo yi books no computers na issue na sell ni na go abon se be ye before asa organize class media ma GH3 for no mo twe mo kono ebusua ye twen pem for ya report so to this assembly ye twen say ebe organize carpenter for no mo betete chance ni bibia na so ye hunu kwan be fa so a the sabo dance and they say the sabo say omraim because in ground they have barely 2 months to write for the BEC and a dance will bring in from 3-4 on time from 3-4 no more back to BEC and to me have a more this year the money the say about the man agent leave nega o maba be ye the man and kwana this year no across they are preparing for their exams these final exams.
Assembly member no wachi one headmaster Ura Francis Ado 18 komo.
No facha no akwana me teachers 4 e wo ha ya make mokwa ya yem. Ti yo hana adu esi ye no kwasam na anyi enye na school for ankasa de no muni. No facha an I see ye me free assemblyman me free PT executives no na me sa free anano na payin so me free sisu na no so ma ye president so aso ati. Sisia makwakwa so primary dan ba ko omo so do so nti o maka kwa no ba ko aboso a mama ba ko a maka omo afofo so e ko twa nsa sisia de adesam de to mani say o meye mo antam senti say you no bibiri asay you show ahwe competence kakra bi a ye wode kire ade ni nyina nkata wodo ni nyina afọ nti onye ntam meye mo na mebo adan so emaye
na enoachi eben ene adesuafo no bi nso edi nkomo mo nso ekirekire nsemu kakra
adeni finki se ba no ya master me yi niema no ti afi na yi yi ro ho de be oza betla ediana finance ande
se aw de wase wonti de sompa ndi business na de two wine da anso the empire by from to the for the na it's more confirm ko chemo time okay but so I say about the boy na be than with me I am so you have people yes ra about say ka on the say my nya ba bin tana ni shadi yes na I'm going to teach you. I'm going to teach you. I'm going to dance. Yes, I
Hafano Southwest mentioning more sentiment Samina in your bema Ebenezer Owusu and Sana Boanoa what a mayen and you may make come for the mouse say a yabomodema on Sanka Mizo and a 5 GNB. Yawa de Afra and the Yam Fire Ewo, Dudo Bia Upibiano, or friend number ya, Dr. Salas Ebejoso, 0246270221, 0246270221. And my represent what Chanada Yamia Tumwa. Ubesim anopa na wudu wani achirimu ya nkrabata bia ya ebewo ya ne sciatica expert ni yare nka ye bia ka hu bia so ye hu adwuma 0540311311 0540311311 ma represent wode no ya yemtim tisi yade na afeso koko na ehawa age woni padua na boso a mepa chaw fere ehaba center wona duro ya wode abai friend koko master ya wato apeti Mr Heba calling na dane Heba na afeso apedank no eye adwuma pa da busua di wo mo ne se ye de no ono mo aya ahye no so obetimi akọ adwuma obetimi afoka akọ bia ya opese ukobra emfa uyemu sade enuro nkaye bia wono mo ana afa uyemu se bia yamtim na ehawa ye de no entisa no so na friend number yisi a baby a wo bia na ye nin komona won sanka bi 0546107107 0546107107 nipa de wo ho no mo a na wa express ho kakra nti express group e de wo kọ amonone ama wakoye adwuma ukosua de na wokoye ukosra wo bia na anase bia akonya bi na apai e de ama wo efiri se wo ye bibia nkrata semo ne wa kwantu semo ade bia obehia e de atu kwan ene ba bia wo kọ akoduru asomde onya ba bia da na wa ya ade a wo pese wo ye no asan ba fie asomde emfie sen abosome sen ne nyina no express group ene de wo kọ Kumasi Asafo Labor Runabout ye wo ho enkramantam so kanese first light no ye bo ho no mo ya ye adwuma eya express ho kaka nipa de wo express mo ho a eya eboa pa 0552 827787 0552 02827787 na Express Group ajewo so abusia ma yenton creator na yamra yeba nsempia ka kira yede besoso
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa oyare no masa de machine aka ho eyayare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540311311 0540311311 na 21st clinic wo mo sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo ni pedua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hie yi pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder siesi ni pedua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afrimpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne enwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumasi Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15-14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agiatum
Sompa TV Emma Aketiapa.
I was saying to one some so now I know done so ye to ye. Yet to send the pabasa has some baby a womba down walk where the diama one more pa. And they walk or didn't hold quite a soa. And nipa a dionu, and I say fear best a dionu. And now one more time so abe papa paya woman ya baby and put on domuti atu. A brother and some trough folk or one one more bon commono, and some dear one more brosso at a tray.
You come by and say, and so is as a munao. Muna timi kura ma sokro port ano a mi kodi dwa wo akire ho chidem hu ya ne sem frama na ebo ba saa na mse na frama be na ebo ba ase wiase ayetum at once wani ehunu ba bia chidem mi be fiade mu hu ya ne se me baba ko dua na so abone na abone tim na me be ni tribu moja tata afede ba ko so ba na dadoa bi da ho no so abetia so ma dadoa na kanenam Milika na se nkofo be hye omu twe dadoa ne free ye friend se nti aba sa me dem ne ma nyina sei bibia sei ame nko an na ka me wo fie ho de a ke no ade nka me sabre nka me nka oti asfo ho bi ato renche ma di abre me no se mi dan no bu agum chance ni nyina sabre wa baby ma no egu ne na no me amobo Abraham Bray say a buon, be no I be amena na dawoma. Omo boy be answer. A true chama e neighbor and the J.
No, 5 to 6 months. Then who's in from I started. Yes, and then as a motor, as my mano, a coyade. No more fear, because you be chasing to the beginning, you have a good if you want.
ma jebi be wura e daba ko we pie na me man da no sin na apa daba ko e wani sin na so apa nsu enu ali nsu de ase no ma pa na se moto from the battle dem say krum ha nko a
wei afiri wɔde ne ho kwada so nipa a wɔn mo da so apepa bepa na wɔn hia mmoa afiri aban ne ho
yɛkɔ bono mantam no emu bono mantam panimpa edema National Petroleum Authority yɛwura kwadwo ɔda no na ɔne nsɛmtwerɛfo edi nkɔmɔ na wɔkyerɛ sɛ sese no yɛmpɔtamu ne yɛmɔnten ahodoɔ so no wonam wɔ awia nko a asa wonam bonsam gyem nti obi kura tumi ka sɛ bonsam gyem no deɛ sɛ no ana nyankopɔn de abere yɛprɛ kokora ansa na sɛ yɛbɛkɔ hɔ a yɛtumi akɔ hɔ kyerɛ sɛ ɛnɛ baabi a wonam bia yɛbu nnua baabi a wonam bia yɛbu nnua nnua no bi wɔ hɔ no mu a ɛyɛ tea sɛ pencil enso mo sɛ na kwabra ne hyɛ hɔ de nwa ngobɛkyɛ sɛ wazim ne wabu no ɔpaapae ɛna duatea ne boɔ wontumi ntɔ ɛno kora da nkyɛne a amanfoɔ so de sibidi ahodoɔ a kyerɛ sɛ ɛha dwen yɛbua bu nneɛma bi a kyerɛ sɛ wodwene ho kora a wontia saa dane a yɛde kɔhye bidi nti na wohyɛ wo dan mu kora a nsuo no pete ya na aka mframa fa ya na awura dan no mu ne nyina no ɛyɛ ade a ɛha dwen nti sɛ yɛanhwɛ na yɛnyae saa su ne ban sɛ de bia bidie sɛm no a yɛkwa yɛ bretu ahodoɔ atwa ɛho ahyia ne dɔma nkoma nnua ahodoɔ a wɔde ama yɛn na ɛma yɛ home mframa papa kɔ yɛ mu ne yɛde bi ba abɔnten no ne nyinaa no yareɛ nko na ɛkɔ yɛ nipadua no mu
one of the biggest challenge is the fact that say you continue say you use charcoal bidie and say wood fires na nature say we are increasing deforestation within our environment. And to say deforestation is one of the major causes of the greenhouse gases because as we take away the trees, it means that there are no means for the carbon dioxide, which is one of the major gases in the greenhouse gases, to be depleted. So now, from there, we are going to have global warming and so on and so on. I mean, you see there is hurricane here, there is flooding, the polar ice is melting, there are heat waves. We might see and that is why all over the world, we are fighting climate change. Climate change does not come into force like that. LPG use the because with LPG usage, will not be burning. And also, it does not produce these greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, methane, the nitrous oxides. It's totally void of all these things. LPG usage we will encourage everybody. Obi biara efa selbe ni aduane de bomodia selbe movie away from bidie and charcoal any wood fuels into using LPG.
Abusian sembo nyina yenu anom Sompa 98.9 eboaboa no a otomane yen.
Ara sam ya tie free asante achim achirmu se orabia wonya finhia na duokono kia akochia fa so ama nei ya kasai wonka atiasefo ho biem akua sachiwa mununkum na edi asem yachi akua majoy hello akua Sompa so ni o ya moajo
me so yesi ni aba
ada ma asem na si se ankasa
yo sani etie ni eyade a enawie ba bi mienu ntam ho ekodonko ho na yenya ne ntie se apa bi a onye finsia no be duokoro 90 years ehyen bi atimi akwadwira no ma ne nkwa afri ne nsa nti ebopini wa ekobonten wa na yenya ne ntie se eyade abra na ohyenkani no etwishen ofro popo ewo alajo rono a wasante achimango ha ewo bontodi ase ekwan ne so no ena ne ntia no ewe okay ochim ne bia enchim speed so ade ni mo Zeze ni chire no a ho na ese otwihyen ne fa oye ne hwe enye yi ne kasa ne munsu na eho na papai ekura ne poma nkakra o propopo na nchiremu chire se na ni chire efie bi afra ne se aframfi a eho na enua no ma wo munyi mozremi so no kristo so nyina ni me chire na nanom ho no mo ya amamra ne amane o akom kwan so ntina papai ko se efie a chire se oye busiani wo sa afie ho any several fiance water na dware abamu a kwaba ne sa ne driver ni ya hwia enye yenti ekokọ dwira no amunu mu ha wodi awerefo ni mo dadata akopia na no ncha opatania akwa ya awerefo sem sa ntimi nua wote ya na sa ne ti
Ejisa ashankani ni why?
Yesi ashankani de watchira polisifoɔ kukum a wɔboa ma nhwemu ma pa akɔso. Wɔnsa bambɔfoɔ adwuma ne de. Wodi bi mo wodi fo, ɛsi etim de ukopie wakache. Na yɛtoto wano. Ti saa bere de ɔne ne hyɛn ne mienu nyinaa akopie mu wɔ makache a. Wɔboa ma nhwemu ma pa akɔso. Emu ne nso abambɔfoɔ adaroma ne abusuafoɔ akrebe pie hɔ. Etinye tabiri na kopie mu wɔ Presbyterian mu krabia wasante atima agwa nim sɛ yi a adokotafoɔ social papa no.
Aminim sɛ finhyia de okono de ɛwɔ bɔ nananom kora meboa.
Oh, wani pa o ma wɔ nananom pepia nkoma anya asɛm kuma.
Sompa FM.
Mununkum wada ma me fa wonsi yada se why? Aye akua sachiwa mununkum ane ete ne nkana we hosam a asie ɛwɔ asante achim. Ye gina we so na ya densam ne nyina asie ɛwɔ ha. Akoso asomo na betena fidi na chichinchi we ya fa sadama no kuku averne ka janto ebo ni chidom ya grace nso boy wo fidi demu. One nkae no owura asante ebo Benedict ene samu ena buzi eye videos ne nyina ho adwuma ede ma yɛn. Akoso ya ajewa kwade boaten ene medi mene.
Nana Kwabra Kese.
Ya so ma sempe